Happening in Metro Vancouver for your detached townhouse and condos. Detached homes sales are up 26% year over year. Sales are up 40% month over month. This is a time, if you're a buyer, to be paying attention to these numbers. Last year, we're starting to see a lot stronger activity than we did a year ago, but month over month, we're seeing an incredible amount of strength in our sales. And as we saw previously, it's starting to reflect in months of inventory, which then starts to impact prices. So your benchmark price is sitting at $2 million. Year over year, you're up 0.3%, and month over month, you're down 1%. So for those of you that might be thinking, have I missed it? By no means have you missed it at all. In fact, this is potentially just the beginning. You can see there has still been some downward pressure on prices in this market segment, which could just be turning a curve from the global perspective of our Metro Vancouver market. Attached townhomes sales up 41% year over year, month over month up 33%. Benchmark price is sitting at 1.1, and your benchmark price is up 0.4% year over year and up 0.9% month over month. Condos sales are up 33% year over year and up 41% month over month, sitting at 757 for your benchmark price, down 1.6% year over year and down 0.6% month over month. So you can see we're still feeling some of that downward pressure, but perhaps as things shift here, we're going to see some upward pressure on prices. And if you want to put it all into perspective, this graph here goes back all the way to 1977. So if you ever wonder why you want to own some real estate so that you have a paid off home one day over your head, you can see where things have gone over time. And yes, we've been bouncing around, but you can see that we've been bouncing around at these peak levels since, basically COVID. And we really haven't come off from those levels, even though we've had some of the highest interest rates that we've seen since the 1980s and 90s. And while there's been this sawtooth up and down here, you can see the detached market still a little bit in the lower part of the segment. You can actually see this bounce back up here in the townhomes and in the condo market. Is October just a blip? Well, let's take a look, because obviously 1 month doesn't take a market. However, today, November 12th, you can see that we're at 854 sales and we've had 1,636 units listed. I just take a look at this as a gauge. Usually, if we sell half of what we list, our inventory tends to stay tight and may even decrease a little. Once we're not selling at least half of what we're listing, we start to see that inventory accumulate. So far, November has been performing extremely well, at least to keep inventory levels where we saw them at the end of October, keeping things steady. But as you can see, pretty tight in some market segments. With that, I thank you for your time and I look forward to seeing you next month. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, our Instagram account, and if you're not already, subscribe to our newsletter so that you can get this market update to your inbox. Wish you all the best and look forward to connecting with you.